Cross DJ Remix is a popular Android application aimed at aspiring DJs and music enthusiasts who want to create, remix, and mix tracks on their mobile devices. This app provides a professional-grade DJ interface, featuring a range of tools and features that make it easy to manipulate audio and craft unique mixes. With Cross DJ Remix, users can access 2 virtual turntables where they can load tracks from their device or explore various sound libraries. The app supports a wide array of audio formats, allowing for versatility in track selection. Users can adjust tempo, pitch, and apply various effects, such as reverb and echo, to enhance their mixes. The app also features functionalities like looping, hot cues, and beat matching, making it easier for users to seamlessly transition between tracks. An intuitive interface allows for easy navigation, while an integrated audio recorder provides the option to save and share mixes directly from the app. Additionally, Cross DJ Remix may include features like automatic beat detection and a visual waveform display, providing real-time feedback on the audio. Overall, Cross DJ Remix is an excellent choice for anyone looking to explore DJing on their Android device, offering a blend of creativity, functionality, and portability.